What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Master Slide in PowerPoint. So Master Slide enables you to add consistency to your colors, fonts, headings, logos, and other styles in your PowerPoint slides. In other words, it's a powerful tool that will enable you to manage the layout of your PowerPoint presentation. That being said, let's jump straight into the video. Welcome back. So as you can see, this is my PowerPoint presentation right here. So go ahead and open up your PowerPoint presentation that you've already prepared, and remember, we want to learn how to use Master Slide in PowerPoint. So usually Master Slide helps you to make changes to your slides at the same time. Let me say you want to highlight all your titles, so you center it, then you go ahead and bold it right there, and then I highlight this one right here, and then I center it, as you can see. So if I make these changes will apply to only the second slide, as you can see, but these changes will not apply to all other slides. So let me show you. So this is the slide that I've edited. However, these changes that will not apply to other slides. So let me go to slide 3. So as you can see, the title right here is bold, and then this layout text is centered. But if you look at slide 3 and the next slides, they remain as they were before. If I want to make the same changes to apply to all my other slides, so this is when Master Slide comes into play. So to use Master Slide, I'll go ahead and tap on View right here at the top, and then I'll look for Slide Master. As you can see, if you hover the first slide, they will show you it's a theme Slide Master, and it is being used by slides 1 to 7. Then onto the second one, it's a title slide layout, and it is being used by slide 1. Onto the third one, it's a title and content layout, and it's being used by slides 2 to 7. So if I want to make changes on slides 2 to 7, I'll use the title and content layout. However, if I want to make changes to title slide layout used by slide 1, I will use the second slide. However, if I want to make changes that will apply to all slides, then I will go ahead and use the first one, which is a theme Slide Master. So in this case, I want to make changes to slides 2 to 7. So that's why I'm going to choose the third slide. So you can choose any slide that you want to use depending on which slides you want to make changes to. So I'll use the third one. So with the third one, once I select that, I'll come into my title area, and then I will go ahead and highlight this text. So once you highlight it and you make changes, those changes will apply to all titles in slides 2 to 7. Once I highlight it, I'll go to Home, and then I make any changes that I want. So I will make it bold, italicize it, and then I'll go ahead and center it. So those are the changes that I want to make. So once I'm done, then I'll come here, and then I highlight this one right here. I highlight this text. So once I highlight that text and I make the changes, those changes will apply to the content or to the text in slides 2 to 7. So once I highlight it, I will make the change. So I will go ahead and center it, and that's the change that I want to make. So once you're comfortable with the changes that you've made, go ahead and tap on Slide Master, go back to Slide Master. So go ahead and close Master View. So go ahead and close it, and then check out our slides. So remember, we didn't edit or make any change on slide 1. However, on slide 2 to 7, they should have the same changes being applied onto them. So as you can see, the changes have been applied from slide 2 to slide 7. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, tap the notification bell such that you're notified whenever I release new content like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.